bese saqhubeka neza list. Uyazikhumbula eza list? Saqhubeka ke i-list. Kwakho ispirit, kuthiwa kukhona ispirit of deformity, illegitimacy, and being an orphan in families. But there was a spirit behind this. And then spirit of pain, arthritis, infection, cancer, ulcers, tumors, cysts, fibroids, and weakness. Damangala ke ezindifunda lena kuba ubiza izifo engoku ezizabantu abagulayo esizaziyo uba hayi man, there's a spirit behind illness. Tell me, why was I reminded that kwakukhona iverse kaDeuteronomy 17 verse 15 and 80, and the Lord will take away from thee all sickness and will put none of the evil diseases of Egypt, which thou knowest, upon thee, but will lay them upon all them that hate thee. Ndiyazikhumbula ezi verse. Kukhona nenye apho izazichaza khona Deuteronomy 28, 27 and 28, the Lord will smite thee with the botch of Egypt, and with hemorrhoids, and with the scab, and with the itch, whereof thou canst not be healed. The Lord shall smite thee with blindness, with madness and blindness, and the astonishment of the heart. Deuteronomy 28, verse 60, moreover, he will bring upon thee all the diseases of Egypt, which thou wast afraid of, and they shall cleave unto thee. Oh, there is a spirit behind illness. Bese ndiyilibele ke le nto lena. Bayi ke, ndiyakuva mna Yesu uthini, ndiyakuva ziku-loudspeaker right now.